If you want to go viral on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, you must watch this video. I reveal a secret niche that is not competitive yet. This channel was created on April 20th and has around 600,000 subscribers, and it's already monetized. This indicates how valuable this niche is. In the video, you'll get a step-by-step guide to creating videos like this using AI. Let me show you a sample video. There's a sign on a restaurant window that says if you order it and we don't have it, you instantly win $1 million. A man walking by notices the sign and walks in the restaurant and sits down at the table with a smirk on his face. The waiter asks what he will be having, and the man says, "I will have white rhinoceros stew." Step 1, head over to YouTube and click on Create a New Channel. Enter your desired channel name, then click Understand and create. The next thing is to create a logo and banner. So head over to Canva. For this, click on the search bar and type YouTube logo browse until you find one that suits you. I'm going to choose this one because I like it. Once you're done editing the logo, click Share and download it to your device. Now to create the banner, go back to Canva homepage and search for YouTube banner. Look for something simple and click Customize. You can then make any changes you want, such as changing the colors when you're done. Click Share and save the photo to your device. Next, go to YouTube Studio, click Customization, then Brand, upload your logo and banner, and finally click Publish. That's it, your channel is now set up, and we can move forward with creating the videos. To find some funny short stories, I suggest going to Pinterest and searching for them once you type in your search query. Pinterest will provide you with hundreds of short stories that you can use as inspiration for your own content. This approach is highly effective as these stories are very engaging and can keep viewers entertained. If you have seen a story that you like and want to create a short clip out of it, follow these simple steps. Firstly, take a screenshot of the story and save it on your computer. Next, you need to convert the image to text. This will save you the time and effort of rewriting the entire story. All right, let's proceed. I've already saved the image on my computer. Now I'm going to switch back to Chrome browser and search for image to text converter. You can choose any converter that you prefer and then import the image into it. As you can see, it is processing. So you have to wait a bit. The next step is to create a voiceover. It's crucial to have an engaging voice to keep the audience's attention and clearly convey the message. To create the voiceover, follow these steps. Copy the script you want to use. Go to the 11 Labs website, look for a good voice like Adam's, and paste your script there. Check your script for any spelling errors before generating the voiceover. Try to remove any excessive spaces to avoid pauses in the audio. Once you're satisfied with your script, click on Generate to create your voiceover. Okay, now let's listen to what is generated and decide if it's good or not.
3 men, a philosopher, a mathematician, and an idiot, were out riding in the car when it crashed into a tree. Before anyone knew it, the 3 men found themselves standing before the pearly gates of heaven, where Saint Peter and the devil was standing nearby. "Gentlemen," the devil started, "due to the fact that heaven is now overcrowded, Saint Peter has agreed to limit the number of people entering heaven."
Wow, this is very good, but remember, every good video has a great script. Just keep that in mind. If you are satisfied with what you have generated, then click on Download and it will be saved on your device. This is the most important step: how to get videos to show in the background. Go to TikTok or Instagram and search for relaxing videos. Just browse through and choose the one that interests you the most. Personally, I recommend choosing videos with a lot of views. This particular video has already gained 24 million views, indicating that it is engaging. And people are finding it interesting to watch. Copy the link, go to snap.com, paste the link, and download the video without watermark. Now that we have a script, voiceover, and background video, it is time to edit. The editing software we are going to use is CapCut. You can also use any video editing software of your choice. If you don't have CapCut on your device, don't worry, just type CapCut on your Chrome browser. But I have the CapCut Windows version installed on my PC, so I'll be using that first thing. First, import the background video and voiceover into CapCut. Next, drag, and drop your voiceover. After that, increase the volume of the voiceover, zoom in a bit, so you can see the voiceover and be able to remove all the empty parts, so it can be engaging. After the adjustment, drag and drop the background video extract, the voiceover that came with the video, and delete it from the timeline. Chop up the clip to match the length of the voiceover. Adding captions to a video can make it more engaging for the viewers. To do this, Go to the text section and click on Auto Caption. Choose your preferred language and click on Create CapCut. Will automatically generate subtitles for your video, which is great for keeping your audience engaged. Once the captions are generated, go to the Animation tab and select the caption option, then choose the pop-up effect and go back to the Basic tab. Click on Font and select a bold font. Increase the text size and choose a better color to make it more appealing to enhance the video quality. Let's apply a filter. Open the Filter section on CapCut and look for the Clear Filter, drag and drop it into the timeline. With this, we are done with the filter application. Now we need to add background music to the video, download music from a copyright-free website, and import it into CapCut. Finally, let's review what we have done so far.
Three men, a philosopher, a mathematician, and an idiot, were out riding in the car when it crashed into a tree. Before anyone knew it, the three men found themselves standing before the pearly gates of heaven, where Saint Peter and the devil was standing nearby. "Gentlemen," the devil started, "due to the fact that heaven is now overcrowded, Saint Peter has agreed to limit the number of people entering heaven. If any one of you can ask me a question which I don't know or cannot answer, then you're worthy enough to go to heaven. If not, then you'll come with me to hell."
This is a great and engaging video. The next step is to upload it to the channel we just created. To do this, head over to the channel and click on Create, then select the option to upload the video we just created. Once the video has finished uploading, it's important to write a good title and description to optimize the video. Finally, click on Next and upload the video. Upload one video daily for 1 month and thank me later.
Yeah.